Hi everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and this is CC Iconic, and andito na naman po tayo. Opo, so I know it's been a long time. It's been like 2 years actually since my last upload here in my YouTube channel, and happy 2025 sa inyong lahat. And basically this year I wanted to make sure that I start vlogging again. So that's one of the goals that I have for this year. I wanted to make more videos and share more moments of my life here to my family and friends back home, and hopefully, be consistent as well. So I need to make sure that I am consistent. I want to be consistent with this vlogging. So hopefully tuloy-tuloy siya, and I hope na I get better and I do better with recording videos. So yun, for the past 2 years I have been really busy working, and obviously like spending more time with my family and friends. I went home to the Philippines for the first time since I came here. That was like last year, actually, beginning of last year. And it was really special. It was really great because it was the first time I'm seeing family again after like 2 years of being abroad. And it was really nice. And at the same time, for the past 2 years, I've also changed changed roles sa work. So I've moved to a different area in my work as well. So different specialty for work. And yeah, and then I moved places as well. So for the past 2 years, I have moved, actually for the past, kasi this year, this 2025 is like my 4 years of, here in the UK. So for the past 4 years, I've moved 3 times actually. So, ayun, I just wanted to say that ang daming nangyari for the past couple of years since the last upload na ginawa ko. But the main point is we're here now and nandito ulit tayo, and then we're gonna try to see if how we do this year, diba? So ang dami nating plans. We have so many plans and we have so many goals this year. Marami tayong ganap. So isa din yan sa reason kung bakit gusto ko ulit na i-document ang lahat ng mga bagay na mangyayari sa atin for this year, 2025. Ayan, so cut tayo guys. Andito tayo ngayon. So, medyo ayoko na ng ganon, yung parang seryoso tayo na naka-serious mode tayo, nakaupo lang tayo. So ngayon, andito tayo ngayon sa aking actually, this is where I currently live. But the reason why I wanted to do this vlog is because I am actually moving. I'm in the middle of moving places. So this is where I'm currently living, and then aalis tayo dito. So basically the reason why I wanted to do this vlog is to show that I am actually in the process of moving places. So lilipat tayo ng bagong bahay. And yes, so, pakita ko lang sa inyo ang view dito sa aking bahay. Welcome. Ayan, medyo gloomy ang weather natin today. It's very cold. Today is actually Wednesday, 12th of February as I'm filming this. And, ayan, ganyan siya. Ayan guys, so basically, nasa gitna tayo ng pag-move, no? So, ang kalat-kalat at ang nakakaloka yung ating mga gamit. So, I've already started packing stuff. I'm gonna show you around for the last time para makita nyo yung bahay. Okay? So ayan, pakita ko sa inyo yung bahay, guys. Actually, hindi siya bahay. Kasi this is just a studio unit. Studio lang siya. So, hindi siya bahay. So, ayan yung door. So, that's the door. So, pagpasok mo ng door, ganito na siya. Oh, diba? So, that's the small walkway. Charot. So, ayan. And then, my jacket. That's my hanger. And I actually packed most of my coats and jackets na. So, ayan. Ibayin natin yung POV. Wait. Okay, so ganyan. Pasok. So, this is actually, this is a trolley that I bought. I'm so excited for this. I-unbox natin to mamaya. So, this is it. Mga clothes. So, most of my shoes, I already packed. This is where my shoes were before. And then bags. And then this is the wardrobe. So, wardrobe, dito yan. May iwan yan siya. Most of the stuff, most of my clothes, I already packed. Tapos, ayan. So, pagpasok mo ng ganyan na siya. Kama na kaagad. And then, this is the toilet. Toilet shower. So, pakita ko lang. Very slight. That's the shower. That's the toilet. And that's the mirror. So, ganyan. And then, yun. Tas may ganito ka. Oh, diba? Ayan. Tas, more storage. More, ayan. May mga wig pa, diba? Oh, ayan. Yung mga Halloween ko na mga wig. So, ayan. More stuff, more gamit. So, ito na yung mga ano natin. Yung pake natin. Tapos, ayan. So, kailangan pa nating ayusin lahat ng yan. So, ayan. So, ganyan yan. This is the mini kitchen. And, yeah. This is the mini fridge na walang laman. Ayan. So, yun. So, ganun siya, guys. So, this is my studio unit. And this is gonna be my last week here. Thank you so much. Actually, I'm so grateful for this place. Kasi, obviously, it saved me a lot since I'm living at an accommodation. So, it cost really cheaper than the market price. And it's really nice also to feel and experience living alone and living by yourself, living independently. But at the same time, you kind of start to realize that it's actually it's better. I mean, for me, I've realized that it's actually better to live with other people, especially with people that you are close. So that's the reason why I decided to just move out. Kasi an opportunity at a friend's place came up, and that's the reason why we are moving. So sabi ko, okay, mas better. And then at the same time, the new place that I'm moving is actually very close to the place I work. Actually, nasa labas lang siya ng work ko. So, that's a lot better. Kasi, hindi na ako ng commute, and hindi na ako mag-ride ng bike, hindi na ako magbabus. Kasi, I'm cycling to work as of the moment. But, with the new place, I'm just gonna literally just wake up and walk out of the house. And, ayan na, work na ako. So, yun yung pinaka nag-convince sa akin to move actually. And then, yun. So, this is my last few days here in this place. Bye! Bye! So, yan yung view. Bye. Thank you so much. Thank you. Thank you for all the memories. Charot! Diba? Ayan, nakakaloka. Single bed. Akalain, single bed! Nakakaloka. Tiniis ko. So, actually, nagtagal din tayo dito ng 1 year. So, naka 1 year din tayo, guys, as a studio, as solo living, as an independent girly. So, ayan. 1 year. And I want to say thank you. Thank you so much. At least, na-survive natin itong 1 year ng living here. So, ganyan na siya. So, speaking of pag-i-empake, ito pa lang yung na-i-empake natin so far. So, these are just clothes. And then, these are the shoes. And then, some of the coats are there as well. So, next na i-empake natin would be that. So, kailangan nating i-empty ito. Kasi dadalhin natin itong mga lutuan natin. And then, I'm gonna try to see if I can actually disassemble this thing kasi binili ko din to, so I bought this thing, so I'm coming with that. And then this is my makeup thingy, i-disassemble na din natin yan. And then these are all the stuff that I got from Christmas and from birthdays, but I haven't opened them yet. Ayan, so yan yung mga kalat na kailangan pa nating ayusin. And then, also yung mga stuff natin dyan, yung mga ganyan. So, we are still away from the things. But, I think mabilis na lang siya. But, I think as soon as masimulan ko ng mag-move ng gamit, mabilis na lang to. Kayang-kaya yan. So, ayun guys. So, I'm gonna bring you to my moving process. And hopefully, you guys stay and watch the entire video. And, ayun. See you next. Cut. Okay, so, just quick update lang guys. Nag-start na tayong mag-pack, no? So, ayan. So, we started, ito, basically, naka-air seal na siya. And then, this is the trolley that just came this morning. Ayan, thank you so much sa ating Amazon for delivering my trolley para at least mas madali tayong mag-move ng mga stuff. And then, so naka-vacuum seal na siya para at least na mga damit. And then these are yung makeup churva and then some of the stuff, mga lutuan and all that. Tapos ito yung mga sapatos, jackets, and everything. Tapos, so, wait, change POV, which I also bought from IKEA. And, yeah, shout out sa aking sissy na si Elaine, who actually helped me, na mag-ayos nito when I first moved in here. So, ayan. So, sobrang kalat. Sobrang dami ng gamit. Ayan. So, ayan guys. Ito. So, ipapack natin to, and then the lamp also, and then hopefully we can do a big move today and then additional move again tomorrow. Kasi kailangan natin siyang part by part. Hindi kaya yung isang buong move, no? Kailangan part by part. So, at least may malaking move tayo today, and then that should be it. Okay? So, continue tayo sa ating pag-aayos. Okay, so just quick update again, guys. We have finished packing at least like 4 big bags. 1, 2, 3, 4, and then some of the clothes there. Ayan, tas yung mga lutuan natin. Napack na natin. So, ayan. Now, we're just gonna wait some time. Like, we're gonna have to think what time we're gonna start moving. But, ang importante, at least, may mga napack na tayo. And then, I think the rest should be okay. And then, ayan, marami pa tayong mga gamit na kailangan nating ipack. So, ayan. So, that's it. Okay, guys. So, tapos na tayo mag-impake for now. Mag-impake pa tayo mamaya. So, this is gonna be the first batch na dadalhin natin sa bagong place. So, wish me luck. I hope you guys stay tuned. So, yun lang. So, maglilipat na tayo for now. Tapos, itatry natin kung kakayanin natin maglipat ng 2 pesos today. Whew, kaya natin to. So, napakalaki ng tulong nitong ating trolley na to. Kasi it will make it a lot easier to actually move stuff around nang hindi tayo nahihirapan magbuhat, diba? So, ayun lang. So, ready na tayo. Ayan. Okay, guys. So, this is our moving outfit. Tapos may dala tayo, courtesy of my sister Anne. Thank you, Sister Anne, for letting me borrow this. So, nababa na natin yung ating mga gamit. And now, ayan yung itsura niya. Ito na siya. Ayan. And now, we're just gonna book our Uber. O, diba?